if you look at the law, if you look at the testimony of those who were involved in the law, including some of the opponents of the law, the understanding was that people who joined a federal exchange were going to be able to access tax credits, just like if they went through a state exchange. And you know what? The thing's working exactly as intended, which is why we signed up 11 million people to go through these exchanges, and we're seeing more competition, lower prices, more choice, more shopping among people than even I expected, even proponents of it expected. And it's costing less than anybody expected. So the thing's working, and there's, in our view, not a plausible legal basis for striking it down. But we'll have to wait and see what the Supreme Court decides.
It could rule against you. Then what?
Well, if they rule against us, we'll have to take a look at what our options are. But I'm not going to anticipate I'm not going to anticipate bad law.